It's 2025, and the future is here. Affiliate marketing has gone AI. It's easier than ever to build an online business that brings in hundreds of thousands of dollars per month without you having to show your face or even write any copy yourself. So if you want to learn exactly how to set up an AI affiliate marketing business, keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to break down the complete guide to making money with AI affiliate marketing. Want to make passive income by promoting products online? What if I told you that AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you? In this video, I am breaking down the complete guide to AI affiliate marketing, from choosing the right niche to building content that makes sales, all powered by AI. First things first, let's understand what affiliate marketing actually is. The concept is pretty simple. You recommend a product or service to people, they buy that product through your unique affiliate link, and you earn a commission. But while the idea is straightforward, making it work consistently can be a bit of a challenge. That's where AI tools come in. They're designed to help you with every aspect of creating, publishing, and promoting content that drives sales. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in anything. We'll cover that. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, don't worry. We're going to walk through it step by step. First up, we need to define our target audience. Who are we trying to sell to? What are their interests and needs? This is where ChatGPT can really help us out. For example, you could say, give me 10 profitable affiliate marketing niches in 2025 with high demand but low competition. And boom, ChatGPT will spit out a list of potential niches for us to explore. So what does this mean? If we take a look at the responses, we see a bunch of ideas like AI tools, health tech, online education, sustainable living, and personalized nutrition. These are all areas where there's a lot of interest, but not as much competition compared to things like cryptocurrency and dropshipping, which everyone is talking about these days. Now let's move on to step 2, which is finding affiliate programs related to our chosen niche. There are several affiliate networks we can join, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or PartnerStack, to name a few. For instance, let's try something like list the top affiliate programs for AI tools in 2025. In this case, ChatGPT provides a list of suggestions. However, I found that it tends to provide generic answers, so I recommend checking out existing affiliates and see what works best for them. Once you find a suitable program, make sure to join its affiliate program and grab your unique affiliate link ready to use. Moving on to step number 3, creating content with AI. Now this is where the magic happens, but also where most people struggle. We're going to focus on 2 main strategies for creating content. Using AI tools to create high-quality content that ranks well in search engines, and leveraging other AI tools to create engaging visuals like videos, images, and social media posts. Let's dive into each one, starting with text-based content. First up is ChatGPT. As a language model developed by OpenAI, it uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. In the context of affiliate marketing, we can use ChatGPT to generate product reviews, comparison articles, and blog posts based on keywords related to our niche. And the process is pretty straightforward. All we have to do is type in a prompt such as, write a blog post comparing the features of X and Y, and ChatGPT will spit out a well-written article for us. Next is Jasper, which is an all-in-one content planning and writing tool that harnesses the power of AI. With Jasper, we can generate content ideas, create outlines, and write full articles in seconds. The tool's AI-powered features include content scoring, which helps us optimize our writing for SEO, as well as a plagiarism checker and grammar suggestions. Another great tool for writing is Copy AI. It's known for its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface. One of its standout features is the Content Editor, which allows us to paste in our existing content and get suggestions for improvement. Its real-time tone and style adjustments make it easy to adapt our writing to different audiences. And finally, we have WordTune, a writing companion that uses AI to help us express our ideas more effectively. It offers suggestions for improving the clarity, conciseness, and impact of our writing, and can even rephrase our sentences for us. All right, now let's talk about AI tools for creating visual content. The first one is Pictory, which converts our written content into professional-looking videos in minutes. We can choose from various templates and customize our videos with stock footage, music, and voiceovers. InVideo is another great option for creating videos quickly and easily. It offers a wide range of templates and customization options, including the ability to use our own images and videos. In addition, InVideo's built-in video editor allows us to fine-tune our videos before downloading them. And last but not least, we have Lumen 5, which creates videos by pulling from our blog posts, articles, or any other long-form content. Step number 4 is creating a website. Building a website can seem daunting, but with AI platforms like Durable AI, it's incredibly easy. In fact, you can create a full-fledged website in less than 5 minutes. It's basically drag and drop with AI doing all the heavy lifting. Once you have your website up and running, use ChatGPT to create high-quality content for your pages. For example, you could say, I write a compelling homepage for an affiliate marketing website that promotes AI tools, or create a detailed product review for Xdas and then follow up with questions like, make sure to include calls to action, or optimize this for SEO. Using this back-and-forth method, you can generate high-quality content that engages your audience and drives sales. All right, so step number 5 is driving traffic to our website. Now that we have our content and website ready to go, we need to get eyeballs on them. This is where AI tools like Surfer SEO and Neuron Writer can help us out. They allow us to research keywords and optimize our content for search engines so that we rank higher in search results. We can also use AI tools like Canva AI to create engaging visuals for social media like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Having eye-catching visuals will help us stand out and drive more traffic to our website. And speaking of standing out, don't forget about YouTube. With tools like InVideo, we can turn our blog posts into YouTube videos in seconds. You don't even have to show your face. Just imagine the possibilities of having multiple content formats to engage your audience. It's a game changer for affiliate marketing. And step number 6 is automating the process. Now that we've got some content flowing, it's time to automate and scale. This means setting up systems that work on autopilot to bring in more traffic and make more sales. Tools like Zapier can help us connect different apps and automate tasks like sending emails and scheduling posts. And let's not forget about social media. Using tools like ManyChat AI can automate our direct messages so that we can nurture relationships with potential customers without having to manually send messages one at a time. When it comes to email marketing, AI tools like GetResponse can help us create and send personalized emails that nurture leads and drive sales. And the best part, we can set all of this up on autopilot so that it runs smoothly without us having to lift a finger. Building a successful AI affiliate marketing business takes time and consistency. It's important to start small, pick a niche you're interested in, and gradually grow from there. Don't try to do too much at once. Instead, focus on providing value to your target audience and building relationships that lead to long-term success. Remember, the key to affiliate marketing is to provide genuine value. So make sure that the products you promote are ones that you would personally use and recommend to friends and family. Don't just focus on making sales. Instead, aim to build trust with your audience by providing helpful and honest reviews. And that's it. The complete guide to AI affiliate marketing in 2025. With the right tools and mindset, you can go from zero to building a passive income stream in no time. But remember, start small, focus on providing value, and automate when you can. AI is here to help you succeed, but it's up to you to put in the work and stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. And drop a comment below. Which AI affiliate tool do you want me to review in depth next? See you in the next one.